Good morning. Shout out my sister. I got it from her bathroom.
What? No! Never!
Big worry wart vibes.
July 2nd, right? Tomorrow's the 3rd. Yeah, nope, today is July 3rd. I love the 4th of July. It's the best weekend ever! Good morning. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm already so excited. It's 8 a.m. and I love this drive to TC because I listen to crime podcasts. Oh, but the one thing that I forgot, I bet you can guess. HBCAs. Sitting on the top of my fridge right now. God dang it. Lower body, lower body, lower body, lower body. I'm really excited. I just started my new workout split. And I'm just doing, it's basically like glute central. This is just a homemade cold brew. You can buy the things from Big B, like the syrups they use, you can buy those from them, and I do. And that's it. There's only 3 ice cubes in here because I only had 3 ice cubes because I didn't fill it up. Have so much fun. I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys that puppy. I can't wait to show you guys the 4th tomorrow on the lake. And I'm going mountain biking this morning. Should be interesting. I don't know, like, I'm a little worried, but I'm really excited for this weekend, and it should be no less exciting than last weekend. Yes, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive to TC. It takes like an hour and a half to get there, and I'll see you when I get there. Hello. Back from the gym, had a really good quick workout. Gonna go to Starbucks, and yeah, I'll see you at Austin's.
Good morning. We're so little. Oh, she's a biter. We still have a few hours until we're gonna go to Torch Lake. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm just gonna take you through me getting ready before we head out. This is my swimsuit for today. I'm sure you'll see it a lot on Instagram because I love it. It's like cheetah print, but it's red, white, and blue cheetah print. It's so cute. I got it from Target. It's so cute. Alright, now for what I'm gonna wear before I wear this. We just have like Amazon biker shorts and stuff, and a shein black top. I took the body shower and washed my face already, but that's about it. Do hairstyle videos, and I'm hoping to do one of those with my hair. These are two-step toothpaste. Shout out Maddie. She got me on this stuff. I don't even know if she still uses it, but I love it. It's these crust tubes. It's like good for you, but also lightens your teeth. Really can't see, but gonna remove some extra makeup that was under my eye from last night, because today we're wearing lashes. These are the lashes I wear by Glamnetic. I adore them. I would absolutely think magnetic lashes are worth the money. It takes me no time to put on, and the only thing you have to be like decent at is drawing the liner on because it's liquid. But I saw they came out with pens too. You can't lose. Shout out my sister. I've had this for about a year now, but she made it and I got it from her bathroom. I have this like one pack of like 600 of these that I bought like years ago, so that's what I'm looking for. This is difficult. I've only seen part of the video because I've seen it all, don't really get it. But I'm gonna do like the first part to show you, and then we'll see how it goes. I don't know. I don't know, it's just rip until it comes out. Austin is sleeping right now, and I'm really happy about that, because if you ever, ladies, have you ever tried to like do something in the bathroom that you're not really quite sure of? It's just gonna take you a long time, and this, and they're like, are you ready? Are you done with the bathroom? Are you ready? So I'm happy he's sleeping. I just woke up because I couldn't sleep, so here we are, taking a body shower, getting our hair done. I don't know. I think I like it. All right, here's the almost final. I ran out of hair ties, so when I go to my friend's house, I'm gonna like bubble it all the way down. But this is what we got going on. I don't know if you can see that from the back. I hope it's not messy. And I'm going to like eat breakfast stuff and then like put on lashes and jewelry and yeah, the whole 9 yards. But this is just what we got going on right now, and I will see you there.
Okay, we're gonna go to torch soon. This is Paige. Austin's been on YouTube. Paige hasn't. This is Paige's dog, Dizzy. Oh look, yours is so cute. And we got lots of snacks, and it's about an hour drive, so we will see you there. Hello! This is Mary. Oh my god. You'll be that'll pet. Ocean, let's see it. Let's see it, Ocean. Yeah. And Jordan. Yeah.
pack, okay? For one, our car is full of veg and stuff. This is so fly? No, never. Water. You can have just as much fun without alcohol. Makes me feel crazy. I don't like it. And maybe I'll film later. I don't know. I don't see any. There's a beauty. Let's see. Oh, yes, there's a beautiful Mary. It's a tropical fruit. Yes, and she's pounding it. Ah, look who it is.
Time, 4th of July is a mess. As always, Eric Senate reporting, 7 to 4 News.
Time to get out of here. You lead the way, babe.
I would lead the way
Alrighty. It is 5 p.m. We're on the lake for about 5 hours. It was super fun. And not a drop of alcohol was consumed.
couple of sober
It was super fun. I don't know, I can dance. I can do whatever, like completely sober. Well, I still have to drive home today. Like, I work tomorrow, so we couldn't really stay out very late, but probably gonna like see friends tonight or something.
Something. It's still 4th of July. Gotta enjoy the night.
It's still a holiday. We're driving back. It's like a 45-minute drive back to Traverse City. Get some dinner, and I'm just gonna head back. Some snacks that we brought, like instead of chips and whatnot, we got a whole container of black cherries. We had a bag of carrots,
Raspberries.
raspberries,
Quest bars.
protein bars, yes.
Lots of LaCroix.
We had
Diet
tons
Cokes.
of, like Powerade, Diet Coke, LaCroix, sparkling water that was like flavored, the Walmart brand.
We were drinking a lot.
I probably drank a gallon.
Yeah.
I don't know, I drank as if I was drinking.
But
like I filled up.
We were just getting hydrated.
Yeah. Gonna get some dinner, and we will show that to you guys if it's remotely interesting.
Hopefully it's something good.
But yeah. Okay, so I've changed. We ordered food. We got Red Lobster. We got
I'll be handing her the food.
lettuce. 'Cause you can get plain lettuce at restaurants.
Alright, explain this meal.
And I got salmon. And I have sugar-free barbecue. So salmon on the lettuce with the sugar-free barbecue.
And I got the Nashville Hot chicken sandwich. We'll see how it is. Cool. They can't see that. There you guys go.
This looks really good though.
I also got some biscuits.
I got biscuits.
And coleslaw.
So yeah, we're gonna eat this and then I'm gonna drive home. I've got like an hour and a half drive. And yeah, have at it. Hope you're having a good 4th. Hey, I made it home. Back in Hadley. It's like 8 p.m. The lashes already came off. I took them off as fast as I could. I am exhausted, like exhausted. I'm probably just gonna shower, get this glitter handprint off my chest, and just like kind of call it a night. That was super fun. I'm really excited for next weekend. Austin's gonna come up. We're going to do like White Monster-esque energy drink, kind of like we're gonna buy all the ones that are supposed to be very White Monster-y, like different brands and stuff, and try them out and rank them for you. That'll be really fun. We'll take you through a workout, and we'll just show you what an active weekend at home looks like before the rest of crazy July. We've got a faster Lala and a GR trip after next weekend, and then it'll be August. So I hope everyone has a fun and safe 4th of July. And comment below, what do you think is going to be best? Is White Monster going to be OG, or is someone else going to take the cake? We'll find out. Have a good night. Bye.